Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying support and network access. First, check your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and your plan includes it. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network with good upload and download speeds. Make sure your Android system is updated. Updates can add carrier settings. Do not enable airplane mode yet. Finally, have your emergency address or E911 info handy. Carriers often require it for location services when using Wi-Fi calling. Now you'll enable the feature in Android. Open Settings, then Connections or Network and Internet depending on your phone. Next, tap on Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. You may need to enter or confirm your emergency address for E911 compliance. If the option is hidden, make sure your SIM is seated, check for carrier app updates, and restart the phone. If it still doesn't appear, contact your carrier. They may need to enable Wi-Fi calling on your account. Finish by testing and knowing how to recover. Place a call to check that the Wi-Fi calling icon shows and audio is clear. This confirms setup. If quality is poor or calls drop, switch to cellular voice or toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on to re-register. Once done, restart your router, update its firmware, and, if necessary, reset network settings on your phone. If issues persist, contact your carrier with the error details so they can check provisioning or network side blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.